Hi friends, today I am gonna show you how you can back up your WhatsApp chats and other data to your email address. It will help you in situation when your data on WhatsApp is deleted accidentally. Then you can recover all your data in only one click. That's why I will show you the step-by-step guide on how to back up WhatsApp data simply to your email address. Before we start, I request you to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips. So let's jump into the video. First of all, open WhatsApp. Click on three dots in the upper right corner. Click on setting. Once you get to the setting, then click on chats. After all that, scroll down and click on backup. Here you can see many options. You can also choose your email address for backup. You can choose its frequency of backup. If you want to back up your chats right now, then simply click on backup option and we'll start. Also, if you want videos to, then click on this icon to enable. So videos will also back up with the other chats. If you have any question, then you can ask me in comment section. If you found this video helpful, then please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.